Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to learn a new poem that is from your Honeysuckle book. The poem name is Where Do All the Teachers Go? So you must wonder, or you have thought in your early stage or in early times or in your childhood, that where do these teachers go? Means after completing the classes, after getting holidays from the school, after the classes get over, where did these teachers go? Have you ever thought in your childhood or even now have where they go? So here in this poem we are going to learn about the curiosity of a boy, okay, who wants to know where my teachers go after getting completed, after class getting over, where does my teachers go, and he also wanted to know whether he or she does the same thing what we guys do. Okay, so what we are doing some naughty things, doing disturbing things, or some mischievous things, just like us. Do our teachers behave? So he this is his curiosity. Okay, the poet is Peter Dixon. Okay, he wanted to know that where did my teachers go after completing the classes in school. Okay, so let's begin. For a little child, a teacher is special. Yeah, of course. When in our childhood, our teacher is like second parent. Okay, they take care of us. We know about our mother teacher, right? So our mother teacher is just like our mother. She takes care everything. She knows how and when we have to do things, how to keep things. There's all the things, right? So a teacher is very special for children. It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. Yeah, it is very means when we are living in our childhood, it is very uncommon thing that we accept our teacher as an ordinary person. Okay, we think about them. They are very special. They are very kind. They like they only the person who exists is very where we feel safe, right? So these all the things a children could think about his or her teacher, that he is not an ordinary person only. He is something special. He or she is something special. So without doing any kind of delay, let's move to the poem stanzas. Okay, and I'll explain you stanza wise. First stanza. Where do all the teachers go when it's 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses? And do they wash their socks? Here, the poet asks, his curiosity tells that where do these टीचर्स गो, कहाँ हमारे टीचर्स चले जाते हैं. व्हेन इट्स 4, जब 4 o'clock होता है, जब 4 बजते हैं, तो वेयर आर टीचर्स गो. डू दे लिव इन हाउसेस, क्या वो घर में रहते हैं. एंड डू दे वॉश देयर सॉक्स, क्या वो लोग अपना सॉक्स को साफ करते हैं. डू दे डिड दिस. सो this child wonders and questions where all the teachers go after the school hours. Okay, when it is 4, he wants to know if, like any other ordinary being, they also live in houses and wash their shops. Means, do they all also do the routine work like other people do? Just like our parents, just like us, they also do the routine work. जो हम लोग काम करते हैं वो वैसा ही काम करते हैं. Or do they do same thing just like the work they do in school? So it is the curiosity of the poet. Okay, do they wear pajamas? And do they watch TV? And do they pick their noses the same as you and me? It means that क्या वो हमारी तरह pajamas पहनते हैं? Do they watch TV just like us when we are returning back to our home, when they watch TV just like that? क्या हमारे teachers भी TV देखते होंगे? Or do they pick their nose the same as you and me, just poking their fingers in the nose just like us, how we are doing now? we are inserting our finger in our nose and taking out some particles from the nose, and we are just playing with that, right? So just like that, do our teachers do the same thing? Yeah, but no, that's not cool. If you are doing so, fine, but you should wash your hands after doing that, okay? So please tell me, are you doing this? Be honest to this answer, okay? If you are doing this, we all are doing, like at the time of bathing, or when we are going some, whenever we are suffering from sneezing and all, we do this. But after doing this, we should wash our hands. So be honest and tell me, are you doing this, picking up your noses and all? So the boys' curiosity is that, do our teachers wear pajama like us, or do they pick their noses just like us? Do they live with with other people? Have they mums and dads? And were they ever children, and were they ever bad? Means now the poet is curious. Means he is like quite curious. What curious, that he want to know that. whether our teachers do the same thing, they live with the other people. क्या उनके घर में कोई मम है या डैड है, कोई है, या कोई कभी वो बच्चे थे और कभी वो बचपन में बूढ़े थे, like they are naughty like us. The child wants to know, whether the teachers do something, like they are also surrounded by people, if they also have parents and childrens like us to live with, like we have some ladies teachers, right, in our school. So have you ever thought, do they have kids, their own kids? Did they did any mistake, or did anything wrong when they were children? क्या कभी उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ किया just like us? So these are the question in the mind of the poet. He wanted to know, just like us, means क्या हमारे teachers भी same हैं? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? क्या कभी वो, मीन्स कभी भी ऐसा हुआ होगा जब ऐसा भी टाइम होगा जब उन्होंने स्पेलिंग करेक्ट्स नहीं लिखे होंगे, राइट? ही लाइक एवर ही मेड मिस्टेक्स, और एवर पनिश्ड फॉर डूइंग सम बैड मिस्टीवियस थिंग? डिड दे एवर मेक मिस्टेक्स? कभी उन्होंने क्या मिस्टेक नहीं किया होगा, लाइक वाइल राइटिंग द स्पेलिंग? क्या उन्होंने सही सही स्पेलिंग हमेशा लिखा होगा एट द स्टार्टिंग पीरियड ऑल्सो? वेयर दे पनिश्ड इन द कॉर्नर? क्या वो कॉर्नर में पनिश हुए होंगे आउटसाइड द क्लासेस और समवेयर इन द हाउस, कुछ गलती करने पर? इफ़ दे हैव पिंच्ड द चॉकलेट फ्लेक्स, लाइक मीन्स चुपके से जाकर चॉकलेट फ्लेक्स एंड ऑल खाना है ना, कुछ भी ऐसा किया होगा हमारे टीचर्स ने भी. Did they ever lose their hymn book? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desk? Did they wear old dirty jeans? क्या हमारे टीचर्स ने भी सेम चीज़ किया होगा? लाइक हम जैसे हिम बुक, ये पोएट Peter Dixon, he is from, in his school, some religious book is like, जैसे हमारे में रिलीजियस बुक्स चलते हैं, है ना? एंड लाइक जैसे हमारे रिलीजियस बुक है, धार्मिक बुक भी सर, ओके? तो ये उन लोगों के स्कूल में चलता है. तो क्या कभी हमारी तरह किसी बुक को उन्होंने खो दिया हो? Did they ever leave greens? Like when we were kids or in our childhood, we don't like to eat some green vegetables, right? It is quite disgusting to eat that green vegetables. So uh, did they ever thrown green vegetables from their plates? Did they scribble on the desktop? Scribble means ragarna. Did they took the pencil or the color or some pen? Did they scribble on the desktop like us? Did they ever wear old dirty jeans? जो उनका फेवरेट है, वो क्या उन्होंने जीन्स पहना होगा? वो डर्टी होगा, ओल्ड होगा, उनका फेवरेट होगा, बट डर्टी है. तो क्या हम लोग की तरह उन्होंने भी डर्टी जीन्स पहना होगा? I will follow one back home today. I will find out what they do. Then I put in a poem. that they can read to you. Now the child decides to follow or spy, okay, his teacher on his way home after school. Once he's clear about everything, that हमारे टीचर्स हमारी तरह क्या करते होंगे, हमारी तरह लाइक मीन्स घर जाकर टीवी देखते होंगे या सॉक्स वगैरह साफ करते होंगे, है ना. दिस ऑल द थिंग्स हैव आवर टीचर्स डज. और आफ्टर फाइंडिंग दिस ऑल द क्वेश्चन आंसर, he will write a poem, or he will write a poem about it, and he will means वो चाहते हैं कि हमारे टीचर्स will read the poem to his स्टूडेंट. ओके, सो ये पीटर डिक्सन का एक वेरी ब्यूटिफुल थॉट है अबाउट द दैट हाउ ही थिंक्स अबाउट हिज टीचर्स. क्योंकि हम लोग जब टीचर्स को देखते हैं या फिर कुछ करते हैं, है ना, तो वी ओनली थिंक कि टीचर्स का लाइफ वही है जो हमारे सामने है. एज द वे ही शी वियर्स साड़ी और शी वियर्स पजामाज एंड ऑल, जो भी वो पहनते होंगे, जस्ट लाइक दैट वी ओनली थिंक अबाउट देम कि वो वैसे ही होती होंगी, वो वैसे ही होते होंगे, है ना. वी नेवर थिंक समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट, है ना, क्योंकि हम लोग देखे ही नहीं उन्हें, तो वी ओनली इमेजिन देम लाइक दैट ओनली, जैसे हम लोग उनको देखते हैं. तो इट्स आर लाइक वी ऑल्सो गेट टू नो कि वो कैसे रहते हैं अपने घर में, वो क्या करते हैं, हमारी तरह कुछ नटखट चीज़ करते हैं या कुछ ऐसा कुछ भी जो मीन्स लाइक जैसे हम लोग करते हैं वैसा कुछ करते हैं, टीवी देखते हैं और ये सारी चीज़ ये बॉय की क्यूरियस है. और ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट टीचर्स. एंड वन डे ही थॉट एंड ही डिसाइडेड टू फॉलो बैक टू द टीचर. एक टीचर को मैं फॉलो करूँगा एंड आफ्टर नोइंग दिस आई विल राइट इट इन अ पोएम, और वो टीचर अपने स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़कर सुनाएगा. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द पोएम विच इज़ रिटन बाय पीटर डिक्सन. ओके, you can study the words which are very difficult to you, and you can find the word meanings of that, and you can study that, and later on you can prepare a summary of this poem. Okay, and if you don't have the book, just take the screenshot and you have to study the poem lines also. Okay, so guys, now let's move to the exercise part, and we'll see the exercise part of this poem. Okay, let's start that. So the first question is, why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? What do you think? Why the poet wants to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? कहाँ जाते होंगे वो 4 o'clock को? Why he wanted to know? He wanted to know because he has a curiosity to know if his teachers are also ordinary human beings. Like उनकी तरह वो भी एक नॉर्मल पर्सन है. मतलब एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी का मतलब क्या हो गया, हमेशा अच्छे से रहना, परफेक्ट बन के रहना, बिना किसी मिस्टेक को हमेशा गाइडेंस देना, लाइक ये करो वो करो, हमेशा हमें कुछ ना कुछ सिखाना. तो क्या वो भी एक नॉर्मल इंसान है जहाँ पे वो भी गलती करते, डांट खाते होंगे, उनके आसपास में उनके बच्चे होंगे, वो उनके भी मम डैड होंगे, ये सारी चीज़. तो दैट इज़ वाई ही वांटेड टू नो वेदर आवर टीचर इज़ ऑल्सो ए ऑर्डिनरी मीन्स लाइक नॉर्मल पर्सन और नॉट. ओके, what are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? So the things done by normal people are wearing clothes like pajama, wasting time here and there, picking up the nose, losing religious books, stealing chocolates, or having parents and children, washing clothes and watching TV. These all the things normal people can do according to the poet. Okay, what does he imagine about where does teacher live? So where teachers live? So where teachers live? Teachers live in houses. According to the poet, teachers live in houses. What they do at home? So they wash their clothes or watch TV at home. Okay, the people with whom they live, father and mother, parents, children. Okay, and their activities when they were children in school. So mischievous things like stealing things, scribbling on the desk with a pen, pencil or colors, okay, or being punished for doing some bad things, okay. So these all the things. Why does the poet wonder if teachers also do things that the other people do? He wonders because his means like his curious mind consider teacher as a super being or a godlike creation. Okay, because the poet wonders if the teachers also do the same thing that the others people do, because he thinks his teacher is just like a god, and god never does mistake. तो टीचर्स हमेशा ऐसे ही अपना पर्सपेक्टिव बना के ही रखते, बिकॉज दे आर अ रोल मॉडल ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, राइट. तो उसके लिए तो टीचर्स को परफेक्ट बन के रहना पड़ेगा ना, सो दैट दे कुड इंस्पायर, दे कुड बी अ रोल मॉडल फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, है ना. तो दैट इज़ द रीज़न दे हैव टू प्रिटेंड ऑलवेज टू बी राइट. एंड इसी की वजह से वो सोच रहा है ये कि टीचर्स हमारे जैसे कुछ ऑर्डिनरी थिंग्स कर सकते हैं या नहीं, क्योंकि वो तो हमेशा परफेक्ट बन के रहते हैं. How does the poet plan to find out, and what will he do once he finds out? The poet plan to spy to get back to means he will follow a teacher, and after finding all the questions कि वो लोग ऐसा कुछ करते हैं हमारे जैसा, then he will compose, he will write a poem about it, and he will make his teachers, others teacher, to read this poem to his or her students. Okay, what do you think these phrases from the poem mean? Okay, so the first one, punished in the corner. What does this mean? Punished in the corner means, so punished in the corner means to get punished after doing a mischievous things, means after doing something bad. Okay, so getting punished after doing something bad. Leave their greens. Leave their greens means leaving some vegetables, green vegetables in the plate which you don't want to eat. So just like that, does our teacher ever done this? Okay, so this is all about the exercise of the poem, and I have explained the poem, that how Peter Dixon has some curiosity about his teacher, and he thought of finding some of the questions, that where do all the teachers go, everything. Okay, so guys, have a nice day to all, and bye everyone. Take care everyone.